5 most common words starting by he. Number 1. Educate. Educate means to teach, to sub a lesson. In Urdu, we say it padhana, padhao. Read the sentences. Number 2. Entire. Entire means all. In Urdu, we call it sab, sare, pura. Read the sentence. Number 3 is entrustment. Entrust means to give something for trust. In Urdu, we call it amanat. And you are also requested to read the sentences written below the word. Number 4 is eliminate. Eliminate means to finish, to tarnish, to end up something. In Urdu, we call it khatam karna. You can read the sentence. Number 5 word is evil. Evil means satanic, bad, and unsatisfactory. There are 2 sentences, read them. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Also share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.